universe is full of mysteries that we are only beginning to unravel. With each passing day, science brings us closer to discoveries that can reshape our understanding of the past, present, and future. What seemed impossible yesterday is becoming reality today, and secrets hidden for centuries are gradually being revealed. Some discoveries challenge the fundamental laws of nature. Others lead us to rethink the history of civilizations, and some open doors to a future beyond our imagination. Somewhere among this knowledge may lie the answer to a question humanity has been asking for thousands of years. Want to learn more? Then subscribe and leave a like. Greater mysteries await us ahead. Researchers from NASA's Behavioral Health and Performance Laboratory studied the behavior of 25 astronauts who worked on the International Space Station. They found that in microgravity, the speed of tasks related to information processing, working memory, and attention decreased, although accuracy remained unchanged. The experiment included 10 tests that participants completed on Earth, before launch and twice after returning, as well as at the beginning and end of a 6-month mission in orbit. The results were compared across these stages. Interestingly, astronauts' cognitive functions fully recovered after returning to Earth. According to NASA researcher Sheena Dev, working in space does not cause severe impairments indicative of brain damage, which is good news for astronauts. However, prolonged exposure to radiation, microgravity, and high workloads can temporarily reduce information processing and concentration abilities. Even on Earth, stress, fatigue, and sleep deprivation affect cognitive functions, making tasks more challenging. At the same time, space has a deeper impact on the body. Scientists previously discovered that long-duration missions lead to bone loss, muscle atrophy, and changes in the function of the heart, eyes, spine, and other systems. Studies in 2017 and 2020 showed that prolonged exposure to microgravity alters cerebrospinal fluid volume and the structure of gray matter in the brain. Much remains unknown, and scientists still need to develop ways to protect astronauts from the negative effects of long-term space travel. What remarkable discoveries have scientists made while studying the Martian meteorite, Black Beauty? Could early Mars have truly hidden an ocean that once supported life? Mars, mysterious and cold, has always captured humanity's attention. One day, a new piece of its history fell into the hands of scientists. The meteorite Northwest Africa 7034, poetically named Black Beauty, brought with it not only the dust of Martian deserts, but also a key to unraveling the early evolution of the red planet. This is not a monolithic rock, but a geological cocktail of rock fragments from different eras, formed through volcanic activity and collisions. Research led by Dr. Aaron Cavosi focused on a zircon crystal found in one of the fragments. This mineral is known for its resistance to external influences, making it an ideal chronicle of geological processes. However, the Martian zircon turned out to be special. Its crystalline structure contained iron, aluminum, and sodium arranged in layers, suggesting that it formed in an environment rich in hot water. This discovery adds new elements to the hypothesis of water's presence on early Mars. Traces of hydrothermal activity found in the zircon suggest that an ocean, albeit a short-lived one, may have existed on the red planet. This finding implies that water played a crucial role in Mars's formation, with hot springs and geysers possibly releasing water vapor into the atmosphere, contributing to the formation of rivers and lakes. In turn, this could have influenced the climate and the potential for life. Despite strong impacts, such as meteorite collisions and volcanic activity, the zircon preserved its structure, confirming that its composition remained unchanged over time. This crystal serves as a reliable witness to Mars's early history. The discovery of water traces on the planet has far-reaching implications, not only for understanding its geology and climate, but also for unlocking the origins of life. What new possibilities does this breakthrough by scientists from the University of Science and Technology of China open? How did they achieve record data storage density? And what new methods did they use to enhance the reliability of these storage devices? Researchers from the University of Science and Technology of China, USTC, have made a significant breakthrough in developing ultra-dense and long-lasting data storage media. In their work, they achieved a record data storage density per cubic centimeter by using synthetic diamonds as the storage medium. This success is the result of years of research aimed at finding efficient materials for data storage. Although the idea of using diamonds had been considered since 2016, practical results have only now been achieved. The team utilized luminescent point defects in diamond, atomic structures with stable luminescence. These defects can be precisely tuned and controlled, making them a promising solution for data encoding. The high hardness and chemical stability of diamonds ensure the longevity of stored information. Tests showed that data remained stable at temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius, with a retention period exceeding 100 years. Femtosecond laser pulses were used for data recording, enabling high speed and accuracy. The probability of correct data retrieval reached 99%, matching the level of Blu-ray discs. Additionally, the researchers developed a parallel reading method, capable of processing tens of thousands of bits simultaneously. As a result, they achieved a storage density of approximately 14.8 terabits per cubic centimeter, 1,000 times greater than that of Blu-ray. During the experiment, the researchers encoded a three-dimensional image of Edward Muybridge's famous galloping horse for the first time, embedding it within a diamond crystal. Each frame occupied an area of 90 by 70 microns. This discovery marks a significant milestone in data storage technology, paving the way for new research directions and practical applications. What other remarkable discoveries about the origin of life in the universe have scientists made, and how have they reshaped our understanding? If complex organic molecules could have emerged before planets formed, is it possible that some have survived to this day, carrying traces of the earliest biochemical evolution? Scientists have discovered that peptides, complex organic molecules that serve as the building blocks of proteins, can form in space much more easily than previously thought. It was previously believed that the presence of water on the surface of cosmic dust completely halted this process, but new research has shown that this is not the case. A team from the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy had already demonstrated that peptides can form in a vacuum on the surface of cosmic dust. However, at the time, they concluded that the presence of water hindered their synthesis. Now, collaborating with colleagues from the University of Poitiers, the researchers used high-resolution mass spectrometry to simulate the conditions found in molecular clouds, where stars and planets form. It turned out that while water does slow down peptide formation by about 50%, it does not stop it entirely. The researchers found that simple organic compounds first form aminoketones, chemical precursors to amino acids, which then combine into peptide chains. This discovery could help explain how complex organic compounds arrived on Earth. Scientists believe that molecules capable of contributing to the formation of life could have emerged in the protoplanetary cloud long before our planet was formed. However, the extent to which this process had progressed before organic matter reached Earth remains an open question. The universe continues to unveil its mysteries before us, and science tirelessly moves forward, opening new horizons of knowledge. From the impact of space on humans to data storage technologies and the origins of life, each study brings us closer to understanding the fundamental laws of the cosmos. What other discoveries await us in the future? Subscribe to the channel and stay updated so you don't miss the most fascinating news.